So that really concludes things. If you're interested in more about data privacy or have any questions, you can contact me through my website, datadesignconsulting.com.au. I'm also running a mastering data flow mapping workshops with a discount code for you all. You can use Innovate10. Again, this can be booked through my website. I'm running it online and over 2 half days, which will include not only the training and a copy of the materials, but we'll spend some time together after the course to help you run your first workshop inside your organization. So I hope that is of interest to you and look forward to hearing from you if so. Well, that concludes the session. I hope you found this of interest. Please feel free to make contact should you have any questions and wish to ask more about privacy. Thank you for your attention. Good luck.